Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we were working on a Husqvarna YTH 1846 riding lawnmower. The blade engagement cable is broke, so I'll show you an easy way how to replace that cable. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, I took the hood off, and now we're gonna go ahead and pop the gas tank out. We have to work up in here. I'm gonna take the side panel off. I'm gonna lower the deck all the way. 3/8 bolts holding the gas tank in here. Pop off the side panel right here. Okay, let's jack it up a little bit. Kind of pull it off to the side. We gotta squeeze the cable. Here, I'll grab the new one to show you what I'm talking about here. Okay, on the new one here, it has this little clip right here. We're gonna squeeze that and pull it out of the bracket, then we'll unhook the little C-clip that holds this part on. But a lot of times what happens on these cables is this little hook right here breaks off. That's on the deck that goes in that arm that tightens the belt up with the idler pulley. That's what usually breaks on them. And this right here hooks on the deck. It'll give us more room to see in there. All right, pop it out of that. Now we're gonna unhook the spring. Don't lose this washer. And there, that's unhooked. So get this out of the way. Then to make things simpler, we're just gonna install the new one up here, put the gas tank back in and everything, then we can take the old cable off the deck and install the new one. And this makes it so much easier, I think. We'll grab our new one here. Pop that in place. I'm going to put this washer on there. Then this hook of the spring's going to act like the clamp. Like so. Now we can go ahead and install the gas tank. Get the fuel line back on here and put that vent tube back on. Okay, now we can concentrate on the deck now. Okay, let's lower this side of the deck here. Take these clamps off here. There we go. There's an idler pulley back under here. That's where the spring's supposed to hook onto. Lower the camera a little bit. I'll give you a better view of it. Cable broke where the spring was. That's what happened on it. So now we gotta run the new cable through here. And it hooks on this idler arm over here. Well, you put it under the belt. And hook it in the bracket. Then use your R clip. So there's where you hook it in the bracket. Right there. And use this, there's a couple holes. A couple holes in there. We put this R clip through. Okay, now we can hook up our brackets. There. Now with a side panel over here. Okay. Then if you want to make a thing to clean jets on carburetors and stuff, cut the end of that cable off. I like saving these and you just undo it. And these are perfect for cleaning jets on carburetors and stuff. Hook the lights up here. Let's pull it outside. Okay, let's see if it works here. There you go. It works like it's supposed to. Anyways, I hope that helped. If you ever have to replace that cable, just start at the top, work your way down. Seems to be the easiest. Anyways, appreciate you watching the video. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, have a good afternoon. Bye.